Hi everyone, I'm Neha Singh, certified financial planner and founder of Womanista. And today we're going to talk about a financial product which all of us require, but we don't think of it till we really need it. I'm talking about insurance. Insurance is just like the seatbelt in your car, right? The fact that you have it, the fact that you don't need to use it gives you a peace of mind. But in case there's an emergency, it can come to your rescue. Similarly, having insurance is having financial safety on your side. In case of any crisis, an emergency, it will save you from financial ruin. And as you enter this new phase of your life, it's very important to reflect over both your health and your life insurance. We are going to talk about that in the upcoming module. Why is having insurance so critical at this stage? Only 22% of middle income households in India have an adequate cover, which means that most of us are left high and dry in case there is any sort of an emergency. Now, parenthood is not about just taking responsibility for another life. It's also about having the financial preparation in case of any eventuality, right? So, apart from taking care of financial, physical security, it's important to build the financial security for your upcoming family, for your upcoming baby. During your pregnancy, while you have to take care of so many aspects of your health, it's also important to remember that you do need that financial protection so that you and your upcoming baby is taken care of. So, let's talk about insurances when you are expecting. What should you be checking? The first one is to go and check whether you have a life insurance policy at all or not. If you still don't, this is the right time to go and buy yourself, ideally, a term insurance cover for a large amount. And typically, that will not cost you a lot. So, do consider buying yourself a proper term insurance cover. Talking about health insurance, go and reflect over your company health insurance policy if you have one. Typically, the benefits given in the company policies are fantastic, including the maternity benefits. So, typically, that's a good option to lean on your company policy for the maternity benefit. You can also keep some health fund, some maternity fund handy. This can be in the form of savings or fixed deposits, so that in case at the time of the hospital delivery, etc., you need extra cash, which is not being covered by the maternity cover, you have that handy and ready to go. Let's talk about the fact that you have evaluated your insurances and now you suddenly realize that you may not be adequately covered, or you realize that the existing policies do not give you great benefits. What can you do? What should you do? Let's talk about life insurance first. Now, life insurance is a long term contract, right? So, when you sign up for a life insurance, you'll typically be paying premiums for 5 years to 7 years, and the policy might extend for 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, and so on. So, once you've taken the cover and you think that it's less, you cannot add on a cover. Typically, you will have to show some income proof and check whether you can buy a new policy at all based on your current income. If you stop paying your policy on time, every year there's a premium that you need to pay, the policy will lapse. So make sure that your policies are in force, they have not lapsed. In case your policy has lapsed, go back, check with your insurance broker how you can revive these policies. Talking of health insurance, let's say you recognize that the cover that you currently have is not adequate. Consider having a super top-up plan. What is a super top-up plan? In simple words, think of it like the icing on a cake. There's already a base cover that you need to have when you take a super top-up, which could be something that you're getting from your company, or you've already bought a very basic cover, a small size cover. Now, to increase your cover on top of that and not wanting to pay a lot of premium, what you can do is tell your insurance company that, hey, I'm going to use this base cover as a deductible. Now, deductible means that in case there is a medical bill which comes worth that amount, you are going to take care of it. So let's say I already have a policy of 5 lakh rupees, but I now want a cover of 25 lakhs. Ideally, I can go and increase this 5 lakh to 25 lakhs, but it might be very costly for me. So what I can do is I can take a 20 lakh top up. And there I say that, okay, for the first 5 lakhs, I will take care of that expense. Now, you don't have to take it from your own pocket. You can use the base 5 lakh plan for that. That's called a deductible. And you take a 20 lakh super top up, which can be super, super reasonable. Now, this is a smart hack to increase your health insurance cover without burning a hole in your pocket. Only thing to remember is no benefits such as no claim bonuses will apply to your top ups, they will only apply to your base plan. If you also recognize that the existing health insurance policy is not good enough, you can consider porting your health insurance policy to another health insurer, just like you port your number, right? So it will keep the waiting period benefit, and you can just shift whatever benefit, whatever policy that you have, existing policy you have, you can let go of that insurer and you can shift it to another insurer who's giving you better benefits. But make sure you do this 45 days before you renew your health insurance policy. Some few checks that you need to make sure as you're navigating insurance during pregnancy. First one is to make sure that the hospital, your preferred hospital, is part of the existing insurance network. Make sure that your spouse also has a life cover. You all have a emergency fund, a medical fund to cover any unexpected expenses. All your documents need to be ready so that there is no confusion at the last minute. And of course, if you are going to be using the company's policy, make sure you're very well connected with the HR, with the right agents who can help you process this very smooth.